Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use paddle shifters in a Subaru Impreza. These handy controls give you a more engaging driving experience by letting you manually select gears, even with an automatic transmission. You'll find them right behind your steering wheel, making quick gear changes easy and intuitive. Let's dive into how they work and when to use them for optimal performance and control. To begin, you'll need to engage manual mode. In most Subaru Impreza models, you simply move your gear selector to the M position. Alternatively, in some versions, a quick tap of either paddle shifter will activate manual mode automatically. Once engaged, your dashboard display will clearly show which gear you are currently in, giving you full awareness of your selection. Now for the fun part, shifting gears. To upshift, simply pull the right paddle towards you. This will move you into a higher gear, perfect for accelerating. When you need to slow down or gain more power, pull the left paddle to downshift. Remember to listen to your engine and watch your tachometer to shift smoothly, avoiding any harsh engine sounds or vibrations. Paddle shifters are fantastic for specific driving situations. They're great for spirited driving on winding roads, allowing you to keep the engine in its power band. You can also use them for engine braking when going down steep hills, which helps save your conventional brakes. Ultimately, they give you enhanced control and a more connected feel to your Subaru Impreza's performance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.